Hi, my name is Angela. I am a massage therapist here in Boston, and I want to show other massage therapists a little trick on how to create a barrier between you and your client during massage. I know that a lot of states are requiring during COVID that your client keep a mask on while you're working on them, and it's easier to allow them to take the mask off and create the barrier with your pillowcase. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So you want to have the point of the pillowcase at the top of your face cradle, and you're just going to slip it on, and you're going to push through and just keep pushing until the whole pillowcase is inside, and you're creating this real deep bowl, so to speak. And it also covers the bar that is at your chin. So that is a great way to create a barrier for your clients so that it's a little more comfortable for them if they are claustrophobic wearing a mask on the table while they're prone. I'm going to show you how that looks inside. So you see how it created that nice deep pocket? That's how you create a barrier between you and your clients during COVID. So I hope this helped, and I hope you're all doing well and staying safe, and I thank you for watching. Bye.